Camera CCD1 calibration. First, reset. Long press the reset button. Switch to debug mode. Click Calibrate. Select the top camera calibration. Select CCD1. Check Enable Cross, then Image Adapt. Place the calibration card on the vibration plate. Click Single Capture. Adjust the exposure and gain to a suitable state. And display the grid. If the lines are clear, we can go ahead. Calibration card should be placed as flat as possible. After adjusting the exposure and gain, turn off Image Adapt function. Then start making the template. The first step is to click Template area and draw a box. Move the center point to the center of the line. Right-click to complete. Click Create Template. The center is aligned, then it's okay. Click Search Template. Draw a box and right-click to complete. A center point will be formed here. Then save the first point. After saving the first point, start for the second point. Same operation. Let's center aligned firstly. Save the second point. Remember the sequence of 1, 2, 3 for points. Camera's coordinates need to be matched with physical coordinates. Now start the third point. Start for the fourth point. Save the fourth point. Change the camera CCD1 to CCD3. Click Continuous Capture. Select Image Adapt. Click Controller. Select 10 mm. Move the Y-axis. Move CCD3 cross-center to match with first point. It's too bright here. Make it darker. End continuous capture and click single capture. Start continuous capture. Move axis again. Align the to cross center. Turn off the image adapt. Zoom out for bigger size. If centers are aligned, save the first point. Then move CCD3 to the second point. Save the second point. Move to the third point. Save the third point as well. Move to the fourth point. Save the fourth point. After saving the fourth point, save here for paraxial camera coordinates. After saving, turn off camera continuous capture. Let's start for nozzle coordinates. Move first nozzle to the paraxial coordinates, corresponding to the fourth point. Use controller to move the nozzle position as well. Move first nozzle to the fourth point. Lower the Z-axis. Align nozzle 1 to the cross center. The closer to the center, the better. After alignment, save the data, save nozzle coordinates. Click Create Calibration. The calibration accuracy need be less than 0.1. Accuracy bigger than 0.1 is unqualified. Click Yes. Save task. Now calibration of CCD1 is completed.